Hey, what's up guys? It's for show here again. Today I'm going to try and do something pretty cool. I'm not really sure if I'm going to succeed or not. If you guys remember, about a week ago I did the trick that I really wanted to do for a long time, which was called the tornado. And I wanted to do a slow-mo version of that trick. And I wanted to do a slow-mo version, so first of all, it looked pretty damn cool. Also, not to mention the fact that all those steps that I explained, I'll just go over them quite briefly. If any of you want to learn it in detail, I suggest that you guys go back and watch that video, and I'll post a link in the description below. And but right now, all I'm gonna do is the smoke tornado, and hopefully we'll get something pretty cool out of this video, and especially if it's gonna be in slow motion. In order to do this trick properly, number one, first of all, you need to have a really smooth layer of smoke. So somewhere where there's not much airflow, like this room, that's perfect. Number two, when you come in, you gotta come in from the back. If you just put your hand right in the middle, the smoke's gonna move away from your hands because of the air that's pushing down on it, okay? So you have to come from the back, almost kind of like slicing it, and then you pick it up from the bottom of your hand like that. I don't even touch the palm of my hand, just the bottom pinky. Come at an angle, so a 45-degree angle this way, and this way when you come down, it's almost like this. So the only thing that touches the table most of the time is either half of my pinky to 3/4 of my pinky finger to maybe just a quarter of the pinky and just a tip of my ring finger on my right hand. Okay, and you just pick it up just like that. And basically that's the best way to do this trick. And I mean, I don't know how much in more detail I can go in this trick, but if you guys still have any other questions or comments, concerns, whatever it is, leave it in the comment below. So this is for show, signing out, and rate, comment, subscribe, keep on vaping, stay away from smoking. I'll see you guys in the next one.